Welcome to the fourth part of the series, AI in Excel series. So, in the previous video, we talked about the automation. How can we automate our work in Excel using AI? In that video, we used small data with bunch of question. In today's lecture, we are going to focus on decision-making part, how to automate financial decisions in Excel using AI. Before we start, let's see why a video will be important for your future work. AI's impact on financial decisions. Imagine a world where financial decisions are made with lightning speed and impeccable accuracy, free from human error. That's the power of AI. We'll explore how AI transforms finance by automating tasks, uncovering hidden patterns, and offering personalized insights. So let's start. Here is our data: campaign owner, campaign name, launch date, campaign type, budget, revenue, total users targeted, engaged users, engagement rate, campaign duration. Based on this data, I used to prepare some question that will extract some insights and provide future guidance. So, here is our first question: identify the most and least profitable marketing campaigns based on return on investment, ROI. So when we ask AI this question, it will give a proper explanation for each marketing campaigns with return on investment, ROI. And we are with our answer: most profitable campaign, February email, West, with an ROI of 3,268.4%. And least profitable campaign, targeted group 1, with an ROI of minus 97.66%. Let's move to second question: which campaign type has the highest average engagement rate? When we copy that question, let's see what we get. Can you a proper answer that I get? The campaign type with the highest average engagement rate is customer experience, with an average engagement rate of approximately 27.6%. This is incredible. I just imagine how much I have to cent on this data to find out these things. Let's move to third question. What is the correlation between budget and revenue? I copy that. Let's see what we get. So it is very detailed answer, but if we read last lines, we get our answer. Calculating the correlation coefficient results in a value of approximately 0.87, indicating a strong positive correlation between budget and revenue. Higher budgets tend to lead to higher revenues. This is so good. Okay, so let's move forward with our question number 4. Without wasting time, summarize the performance of each campaign owner, highlighting their total revenue and average ROI. I copy that. Let's see what we get. So, it is very detailed summary with numerical data, and it mentioned this overall. Yakubu Halima performed the best in terms of total revenue and ROI. From this, we get the overall summary. Okay, so let's move forward with our question number 5. Forecast the potential revenue for a digital marketing campaign with a budget of $10,000 targeting 25,000 users, based on historical data. So, I give some forecasting work, and this give me proper calculation how it forecasts the value. First, it calculate the ROI for each campaign and average it the forecasted revenue calculation for $10,000 budget. Forecasted revenue equals $10,000 asterisk 22.27 equals $222,700. Thus, the potential revenue for a $10,000 digital marketing campaign targeting 25,000 users is approximately $222,700. Okay, so let's move forward with our question number 6. Identify any outliers in campaign performance and suggest possible explanations. So, here is our answer for this question: outliers. 1. Barden, Malik. Industry conference, high engagement likely due to a specific audience or topic relevance at the conference. 2. Macedo, Beatrice. Targeted, group 2 despite low revenue. The engagement rate is decent, but overall performance is underwhelming, possibly due to targeting inaccuracies or audience misalignment. 3. Halima, Yakubu, February email. North exceptional ROI could be due to effective messaging, timing, or a highly receptive audience. General observations. Digital marketing campaigns by Halima show strong performance consistently, while others like Andre's campaign underperformed significantly. Low budgets may lead to disproportionately low revenues, highlighting possible allocation inefficiencies. So, in the conclusion of this video, I would like to tell you that the future of AI in finance is constantly evolving, with advancements in explainable AI, responsible AI, and AI-powered financial regulations shaping the future of the industry. Explore the impact of AI on the financial work, new opportunities emerging as AI becomes integrated. As AI continues to transform finance, ethical considerations and responsible development are paramount, ensuring a future where AI empowers and benefits everyone.